Maayong buntag mga kapaglaom. Welcome to Health Beats. Have you eaten something purple? Do you color your plates with vibrant purple? One of the common fruit vegetables that have its dark purple color is eggplant. In the Philippines, eggplants are long and cylindrical, usually purple or violet, while in other parts of the world, eggplants are round and usually white. Someone asked me, what good thing can I get from eggplant? Well, the good thing about eggplants is this food is very low in saturated fat, sodium, and no cholesterol. It is also a good source of vitamins and minerals and a very good source of dietary fiber, folate, potassium, and manganese. Interestingly, eggplant contains anthocyanin, a water-soluble pigment that gives the eggplant their eminent, vibrant purple complexion. Several studies show the health benefits of consuming foods with anthocyanins. It lowers the risk of cardiovascular disease, it lowers blood pressure and cholesterol levels, it exhibits anti-cancer effects, it helps prevent age-related mental disorders, and also improves memory. Eggplants is a favorite vegetable for pinakbet, kare-kare, sinigang, bulanglang, basoy, and dinengdeng. When buying eggplants, choose ones that are firm, smooth, and glossy with an intense purple color. Eggplants should be stored in the refrigerator until ready for consumption. Important reminder, all eggplants must be cooked because it contains a sensitive substance that could cause vomiting and diarrhea when eaten raw. Start adding purple color food in your plate now. This is Miss Laila reminding you to restore joy and happiness. Never forget the commandments of God. Be healthy. It's a wise choice.